CompTIA Tech Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.2, Identify fundamental data types and their characteristics. String. A string is a collection of textual characters that can be composed of letters of the alphabet, symbols, numerical digits, and spaces. In most programming languages, strings will be easy to spot as they are often wrapped in quotation marks. For the string data type, if a numerical digit is used, it will be treated as text only and you will be unable to perform mathematical operations with it. However, many programming languages do use the addition symbol with multiple string values to perform an operation called concatenation. Concatenation is the operation of joining character strings end to end. By doing so, this operation converts multiple strings into a single string. To demonstrate, we will take the string cyber and concatenate it with the string security. This will result in a single string value of cybersecurity. The string data type also supports relational operations. Strings are compared one character at a time. When different characters are found, then their binary code point values are compared. The character with the lower code point value is considered to be smaller. Here we will compare the string hello and the string hi. We start at the beginning of the strings. Both have a capital H, so we move on to the next letter in each string. We see lowercase e and lowercase I are different, so we will compare their binary code point values. The binary value for e is less than binary value for I, so the string hello will be evaluated as less than the string hi. For this example, we used the ASCII encoding standard. There are many use cases for the string data type. Pretty much any information that uses a series of textual characters. In this example, first and last name fields would certainly be great candidates for the string data type. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.